Hello world, this is RandomFix, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can locate anybody using their phone number, and this service is going to be free. You don't have to pay $1, you don't have to register, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this quickly. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be about finding a person that you only have their phone number. So I'm going to be able to show you guys how to go ahead and get their name, their address, their known associates. Heck, you'll even have their parents' information by the time we're done with this video. And if you guys want to, and this video is super scary, go ahead and check out the video link down below. I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and delete yourself from the internet. And then I have a link down below as well on how you can go ahead and get your personal information back from the credit bureaus. So check that out. And let me hop behind the computer and I'll show you guys how to get this done. Hey everybody, this is RandomFix right here, and in case you're getting phone calls from a number and you can't figure out who it is and why they're bugging you, I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and look up their information. And all I ask is that you guys, A, please be responsible with the information that you're going to get here on the video, and B, if you find this information scary, and you guys should, you should delete yourself. And that's the only reason I made the initial video of this, and so I'll have a link to a video in the description box on how to delete yourself, or there's a service and I'll have a video link down there too, and it's really affordable. Now let's go ahead and head on over to truepeoplesearch.com, and this is the URL right here, truepeoplesearch.com. So we're going to go ahead and click on reverse phone, and we're going to put a phone number in here, and let's put a phone number in here. And with that phone number put in here, it lets me know the name of the person and lets me know where they live. And the most important part of this video is to show you guys how to go and get this information for free. So please only select where it says view details. Do not select these sponsored links right here, because when you select these sponsored links, you're going to go to a paid website. Again, you want to go and click where it says view details at the very top of the website here. And now with that pulled up, it gives us the person's information. We get their address. We get other known phone numbers for this person. We get possible email addresses. We get associates. So this might be their daughter, their mother. If you click on the actual person, what will happen then is you're going to get that person's information. So maybe you're getting a bad phone number or they're trying to block you. You can go ahead and go around them if you really need to. And each of the names is hyperlinked. So once you click on it, then you'll get every one of their phone numbers. We get previous addresses. We get possible relatives, possible associates, and sometimes we even get their actual date of birth. So on this one right here, we're able to see that they're born in November of 1956. Sometimes it will say November 16th, 1956. It will give you the exact date of their birth. So I hope that was somewhat helpful. Again, this is completely free and completely legit, guys. There's no paid services here, as long as you guys follow the directions and avoid the sponsored links. And keeping true to my word, I told you guys I was going to make this video quick. So if it was helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and check out all the video links down below. Now that you know how to go ahead and locate a person just using their phone number, what did you guys think? Was it scary? Are you guys blown away as I was on how much information of yours is really out there on the internet? What do you guys think? Please leave your comments and your questions down below. Make it a great day.